Welcome to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth product reviews.
Today, we're diving into one of the best bracelet making kits on the market, the QUEFE 2350 PC's Pony Beads Kit.
Whether you're a seasoned crafter or looking to start a new hobby, this kit promises to elevate your jewelry making experience. Let's explore what makes it stand out. First off, let's talk about quantity and variety.
This kit comes loaded with 1600 rainbow pony beads and 750 letter beads.
Offering a wide spectrum of 64 vibrant colors and multiple styles including solid, transparent, pearlescent, glitter, and AB colors. Each bead is carefully crafted from durable, waterproof plastic, ensuring longevity and safety even during daily wear. What really impressed me is the thoughtful organization. The beads are neatly packed in 3 separate storage boxes,
making it incredibly convenient to sort and access your beads without the hassle of them getting mixed up.
Now, let's discuss versatility. Whether you're making friendship bracelets, necklaces, or even experimenting with cute cartoon patterns,
the QUEFE kit provides endless possibilities. The inclusion of various letter bead styles allows you to personalize your creations with names, messages, or meaningful words.
Another standout feature is the size and quality of the beads. The rainbow pony beads measure 6 by 9 mm with a 4 mm hole diameter,
while the letter beads come in flat and square styles with appropriately sized holes for easy threading. This attention to detail ensures a smooth crafting experience, whether you're a beginner or a seasoned artisan. For those concerned about sustainability, QUEFE ensures their beads are made from healthy, eco-friendly materials. This commitment to quality extends to the sturdy and secure storage boxes that keep your beads safe and organized. Wrapping up, the QUEFE 2350 PC's Pony Beads Kit isn't just about crafting, it's about creativity, quality, and endless fun. Whether you're making gifts for loved ones or simply indulging in a relaxing hobby, this kit delivers on every front. That's it for today's review. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more honest product critiques.
Thank you for watching, and happy crafting!